A lot of people are reporting call failed or call dropping issues after updating to iOS 18, and it can be a real headache, especially if your iPhone was working fine before. After a major update, iPhones sometimes run into network-related bugs because carrier settings get outdated and conflict with the new iOS. The network preferences reset incorrectly during the update. Bugs in iOS 18 itself, common in early access. SIM card issues that only appear after software changes. Volt or slash 5G handoff glitches, especially if you're on an older SIM or in a weak coverage area. So it's not always your iPhone's fault. It's the messy marriage between Apple's update and your carrier's network. So how to fix it? Restart and quick reset, right? You can hold power, right, and plus volume button, slide to power off, or you could go ahead to the settings, general, and then transfer or reset iPhone, and you're gonna hit reset and reset all settings, and that should fix your problem. And turn it back on after 30 seconds. This clears temporary network locks that cause call failures. Secondly, toggle airplane mode. Go back to your main settings and make sure to turn on the airplane mode, and then wait 10 seconds and then turn it off. This forces your iPhone to reconnect fresh to your carrier's towers. Next, check carrier settings update. Go general, then about. You're gonna see, of course, sensitive information like the coverage and all that stuff. And if a pop-up says carrier settings update, then tap update. Okay. Fourth, this is a big one if calls keep dropping. Okay, go to the settings, then general, transfer or reset iPhone as we mentioned before, and then hit reset and reset network settings. This wipes Wi-Fi passwords, VPN, and Bluetooth connections, so be ready to re-enter them. But it clears corrupt carrier configs that cause quote-unquote call failed errors. Step 5. Reinsert or replace SIM card. Remove the SIM, wipe it gently, and reinsert. If it's an old physical SIM, ask your carrier for a replacement, especially if you are on 4G or 5G. eSIM users, delete the eSIM profile and re-add it through your carrier's app. Step 6. Disable Wi-Fi calling in VoLTE, right, or VoLTE. Sometimes the handoff between LTE and 5G and Wi-Fi calling breaks after updates. So go to the settings, cellular, and then you're gonna find Wi-Fi calling. And make sure that you turn it off. Right? In the settings, cellular data options. Okay, and you're gonna find voice and data. Switch from 5G auto to LTE, right? And then test calls after toggling. Step 7. Switch network modes. If you're on if you're in a weak 5G area, calls can fail. Try forcing LTE only. Okay, as we said, cellular data options, the voice and data. Make sure that you select LTE. Okay. Step 8. Update to the latest iOS 18.x patch. Apple usually releases a bug fix updates like iOS 18.01, right, or 0.0.1, 18.0.2, etc. right after launch. Go to the settings, general software update, and install any patch. Many call dropping issues are fixed in these many updates. Step 9, and you can use that as a last resort if nothing works. Back up your iPhone, right? Go to the main settings, name your name, and then iCloud, and then hit iCloud backup. Make sure that you hit backup now. and put your iPhone in a recovery mode and restore via Mac or PC to clean install of iOS 18. This wipes everything and removes any corrupted files causing the call glitch. Extra note, if you're only having this issue with one contact, it could be them, not you. So test other calls. If your iPhone works with another SIM but not yours, it's carrier or SIM issue. If you are on a beta version of iOS 18, these bugs are more common. Consider rolling back to iOS 17 until Apple stabilizes things. Bottom line, most people fix the call failed issue by updating carrier settings, resetting network settings, turning off Wi-Fi calling or 5G temporarily. If that still doesn't work, the nuclear option is a full restore or asking your carrier for help. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.